In 1907, 75 men went to work on a bridge in Canada. None of them knew they had minutes left to live. The Quebec Bridge was supposed to be the longest cantilever bridge in the world, but the engineers had a problem. The bridge was getting too heavy, way too heavy. Workers started hearing sounds, metal groaning under impossible weight. They reported cracks in the steel beams. The warnings were ignored. On August 29th at 5:30 in the evening, the entire south section buckled. 75 workers plunged into the St. Lawrence River below, but that wasn't the end. 9 years later, they tried again. This time, 13 more men died when the center span crashed into the water during installation. 88 dead, all because engineers cut corners and ignored safety warnings. The bridge's designer, Theodore Cooper, had never even visited the construction site. Survivors described the horrifying sound of twisting steel and watching their co-workers fall to their deaths. It remains engineering's deadliest disaster in history.